Hey guys, excuse me, the SPY is strong again on Friday, it's closing out at the highs of the day and pretty close to all-time highs. This is the watch list video for Monday, December 13th. I want to remind everybody that, we're in the period between Thanksgiving and Christmas and things are pretty dead. I don't expect any massive market move for the overall market one way or another for the rest of the year, but, anything can happen. But I'm certainly not finding a lot of good setups, and I scan a lot of charts every night. So keep that in mind. There's just not. Friday was unbelievably dead all day, so that can happen. And the big danger there for newer traders, and really even seasoned traders, the big danger is if you're sitting in front of your screens, it's easy to get bored and take a trade that really doesn't have an edge. So always monitor yourself and make sure you're not taking a boredom trade. All right, so that's my advice for the upcoming week. Let me go to the watch list. I don't have very many stocks on watch. ISIG made a massive move, kind of a topping tail on Thursday, and then a nice red day on Friday on lower volume though. I am going to look for this one to turn up. I would rather see another red day down to the moving averages. But anyway, I'm going to put it on bounce watch as early as Monday, and we'll see if we get an A+ intraday setup. DWAC had this nice rip, and now 2 days lower on declining volume. That goes back on bounce watch. And since that's on bounce watch, so is CFVI. They pretty much trade together. AERC, ugly daily chart, but let me go to 15-minute candles. And one thing you should note is, hey, this was over 110 bucks on November 29th. Not that it should have been, but that doesn't, point being, it's really been decimated from there. And going to like 15-minute candles, Thursday is where it had a really nice move from these two candles here. So over the course of 30 minutes on an intraday basis on Thursday, ran from 1235 to 1479. It's a nice little move, and then closed out the day kind of sideways. And then on Friday, put in its high early and just did next to nothing, almost like the whole market. So because of this move, and because it seems to have found support, I am going to keep this on watch. A lot of traders are watching it, even though the daily looks kind of weird like that, right? SGMA, really nice breakout on Friday. We're going to see if we get a follow-through day on Monday. And even if not, because usually you don't want to chase something that's made a massive move like that, but certainly maybe we flag after a couple days and then it goes back on watch. So I'm going to keep it on watch all week. VSTA, nice volume move, closing well off its highs. Definitely want to watch that one on Monday, though. BKKT, kind of obscure, really big move back here, and then just bled lower forever. And then finally kind of had a decent pop on Wednesday. Went from 1304 to 1831 in one day. Then you got a couple days lower on declining volume, so I am going to put this one on watch. ARHS, strong volume for the stock. It's only been trading for like a month maybe, but a strong move on Friday. I'm going to watch it. And then CPIX had a really big move here. Now you got, 4 red days in a row, right smack to the middle, smack dab in the middle of that area we like between the 8 and the 20. So we call it, kind of mid buy zone, and so maybe ready for a bounce. Not a very big list. Hopefully we'll find some decent gappers or some news plays on Monday, and I'm going to quit babbling. I'll see everybody in the chat room on Monday morning.